It was a last-minute ticket. My son wanted to play. Medyo mahal. Sabi ko, pag nanalo ka, akin yung premyo. I needed this. And then my younger son is always saying, ate niya si Whitey. May pangalan na siya, si Whitey. Son, ate na si Whitey. I wanted this car. Hindi ko kayang bilhin. The Lord gave it to me. Thank you po. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, DND. Thank you to my batch, 92. Hindi man tayo nanalo, eto talaga yung panalo. Thank you, Buenas PH. Pag binibuenas, may pabuenas. Katulad nito, buenas na buenas!